Good morning, students. Today I will discuss something different. You all are graduating with BTech Computer Science and you should know how to choose a career first. Digitization has taken the world by a storm, leading to the growth of numerous computer science jobs for freshers. So I will tell you the top computer science jobs for freshers and also the salary offered in those roles.
Yes sir, please, we all need this.
So let's begin. The first job is
Big Data Engineer.
Big data engineers work closely with data scientists, data architects, and data analysts to obtain insights from datasets to help convert them to actionable business decisions. Their primary responsibility is to upgrade, troubleshoot, and help optimize big data systems and software to improve the database's efficiency. BTech Computer Science salary as a big data engineer begins from approximately 7 LPA.
Next job as Machine Learning Engineer.
Another most sought after job for freshers with BTech Computer Science is that of a Machine Learning Engineer (MLE). MLEs are specialized in designing and curating intelligent machines and systems that can perform human-like tasks with minimal to no supervision and can learn from previous experiences. With the advancement of technology, MLEs are the most desired computer science jobs for freshers who have an advanced understanding of mathematics, statistics, and computer science. The average starting salary for MLE ranges between 5 to 6 LPA approximately.
Next job as Data Scientist.
Data scientist is currently one of the most sought after computer science jobs for freshers. Data scientists procure data from several external sources such as blogs, websites, etc. along with the company repository. Then they clean, organize and process this procured data to uncover the hidden patterns within it, thus helping to solve business challenges at hand. The average starting salary for a data scientist is approximately 6 LPA.
Next job as Data Analyst.
Another one of the highly in-demand computer science jobs for freshers is that of a data analyst. Data analysts are the mediators between data scientists and the business. One of the crucial responsibilities of data analysts is to ensure the quality and accuracy of the data discovered. Therefore, a data analyst requires to have a sharp eye for details, excellent communication, and data visualization skills. According to UpGrad, the starting salary of a data analyst on average is approximately 3.9 LPA in India.
Excuse me sir, you called me.
Yes, Mia. Come, students. She is Mia Malik. She is an ex-student of this college, and now she is working in top IT company. Now she will take over the class and tell you some more career opportunities.
Thank you sir. Hello friends, so let's continue.
Next job as Blockchain Developer.
Amongst the computer science jobs for freshers available in the market, blockchain developer is an all-time favorite. With specialization in blockchain technology, the developers are required to handle and monitor the entire cycle of blockchain technology from the research to the execution. Apart from this, blockchain developers also need to put up security measures to block cyber attacks against the systems. They require a thorough understanding of the subjects of blockchain architecture, data structures, cryptography, web development, and smart contract development. The average starting salary after BTech Computer Science for a blockchain developer is approximately 5 LPA.
Next job as Software Developer.
After BTech Computer Science, software development is a favorite for those who love to code and have a knack for programming. With technical creativity and analytical thinking, a software developer curates software programs and applications which cater to customer needs as per demand. A software developer's starting salary after BTech Computer Science is approximately 4.6 LPA.
Next job as Computer Network Architect.
Computer Network Architecture (CNA) is another field to consider for BTech Computer Science freshers. A CNA not only maintains networks and data communication systems but also designs, develops, and implements the same. Their job includes updating software and hardware. Another crucial responsibility of CNA is the ability to predict the requirement of new networks within the organization, for which they need to understand the company's business plan thoroughly. The starting salary of a CNA is approximately 4 LPA.
Next job as Computer Systems Analyst.
Computer Systems Analyst (CSA) is another choice to consider for a computer science job for freshers. A CSA focuses on scrutinizing an organization's computer systems and acts as a bridge between the business and the IT teams. Not only that, a CSA is required to design information systems and workflow of the business to come up with more efficient, productive, and innovative solutions. According to PayScale, a CSA on average earns approximately 6.5 LPA in India.
Next job as Database Administrator.
With the importance of data rising by the day, a database administrator's role has also become extremely crucial. Their job requires daily monitoring of the functioning of the organization's database along with quality control and performance of it to maintain the integrity and privacy of the confidential data. The salary of ADA on average is approximately 4.9 LPA as per PayScale data.
Next job as Information Security Analyst.
Another popular favorite for BTech computer science freshers is an Information Security Analyst (ISA). An ISA acts as a barricade protecting sensitive company data against cyber threats. Their key responsibility areas are risk assessment, vulnerability assessment, and defense planning. The job demands sharp attention and quick problem-solving skills to protect sensitive company information. The average BTech computer science salary after becoming an ISA 526 LPA.
Next job as Full Stack Developer.
A full stack developer is the best computer science job for freshers who love programming and coding. Their primary responsibility is to design the blueprint of websites in adherence to HTML, CSS norms. The average salary of a full stack developer is approximately 3.75 LPA, states student website. With so many computer science jobs for freshers, be sure to choose wisely. Take your time to understand your passion and follow that path after graduating with BTech Computer Science.
Thank you, Mia. Hope this information will help them in their career.
I hope you like the video. Please keep practicing.
If you like the video and want more, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching.